Oh. Hi, welcome to my house and my home and my kitchen. Frick, frick. Today we're going to be making uh hand crab Wellington. So let's head over to the pantry where we have some some nice choices. Let's move this guy out of here. Ooh, go over there, buddy. All right, yeah, he's fine. So first you're gonna want to get a live head crab. Watch out for the dynamite. Oh, frick. Stupid. Come here, boy. Alright. Now we've got head crab. And like, cameraman's in effect. Ooh. Let's grab our head crab. Come here, buddy. So the first step is you want to get this head crab nice and warm. So let's go ahead and turn on the stove. Alright, next, we're gonna want to put this in the meat grinder. Bye, buddy. See you in the afterlife. Oh shoot, he survived. Is this thing? No, get in there, you moron. Yeah, get a frick in there. Yeah. Oh my gosh, he's jumping out with tenacity. Get in there. No, he's fine. Right, you know what? No, 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 no. Alright, so what we're gonna want to do is we're gonna want to lightly pummel him. Lightly pummel. So, let's... Where is he? So now you just want to lightly pummel it. Jeez. So there he is. Let's just extract the meat from him real quick. One moment, please. There we go. Why? Okay, whatever. Here we have our delicious head crab. And we're just gonna go ahead and, frick. Oh yeah, we need to get the big pot. Alright, we gotta get the big pot. Where is the big pot? There's the pot. Now we're gonna take our head crab. We're just gonna plop him in there. Now we gotta put the lid on. This is very important. Put the lid on. Shoot. He's fine. Don't worry, folks. Don't tell Peter. He's okay. All right, now he's in there. He's in there, nice and secure. Probably. All right. So the next step is to grab, you know, friggin' your standard household whatever antimatter canister. You're gonna grab this, and you're gonna go ahead and plop this in the pot with that. You're gonna just put the lid on and give it about a good 5 minutes, and it should soon be ready. Now, if it doesn't want to turn on, you're just gonna want to shoot it a couple times. Oh, there we go. All right. So now the beef Wellington has been thoroughly cooked. Oh, jeez. All right. So now everything's just gonna kind of implode. There is. Oh shoot! Holy crap! Right. And now, there we have it. Where'd he go? Holy crap! Coming back into the kitchen. And where'd he go? We lost him because everything has no gravity now. There he is. Wait. No, where'd he go? Yeah, well, it's a hearty oven. Here he is. Where'd he go? Oh, no. Where is he? I know you're hiding from me, you piece of crap. Uh, hold on. Oh, there it is. Our perfectly cut, in great condition. We may have broke reality, and let's go ahead and take a bite. Delicious.